Have you ever wondered how we keep track of all the thousands of objects orbiting our planet, from active satellites to discarded rocket parts? With space becoming increasingly busy, knowing who owns what and where it is located becomes incredibly important for safety and order. It is like having a global address book for everything we send into orbit. The Space Object Registration Convention, officially known as the Convention on Registration of Objects Launched into Outer Space, is an international treaty that requires states to register objects they launch into Earth's orbit or beyond. This means that any country that launches a satellite, a space probe, or even just a piece of rocket hardware must provide specific details about it to the international community. It is a fundamental piece of international space law designed to bring transparency and accountability to space activities. The core reason this convention exists is to ensure transparency and accountability among spacefaring nations. Without it, identifying who owns a particular space object could be nearly impossible, especially if it becomes part of the growing problem of space debris. This treaty expands upon earlier agreements, like the Outer Space Treaty, by providing a practical mechanism for identifying and tracking these objects. By requiring states to submit detailed information, the convention helps prevent confusion, reduces the risk of collisions, and allows for better tracking of objects that might re-enter Earth's atmosphere. It helps maintain a clearer picture of our orbital environment. In practice, the launching state provides information about each space object to the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, or UNOOSA. This includes details like the name of the launching state, the object's designation, its orbital parameters, and its general function. This data is then recorded in the United Nations Register of Objects Launched into Outer Space, which is a publicly accessible database. This register acts as a central repository, allowing countries and organizations worldwide to access information on registered space objects, which is crucial for space traffic management and for understanding potential threats from debris. This global register is an invaluable tool for enhancing safety and stability in orbit. It not only aids in identifying the origin of re-entering objects, but also provides crucial data for avoiding potential in-orbit collisions, which could generate even more dangerous space junk. While not every small piece of debris is registered, the convention ensures that the larger, potentially more hazardous objects are documented, creating a shared understanding of the space environment. It is a continuous effort to ensure that, as more objects are launched, our ability to manage and monitor them responsibly keeps pace. Ultimately, the Space Object Registration Convention is a cornerstone of responsible space exploration and utilization. By creating a transparent, globally accessible record of space objects, it significantly contributes to the long-term sustainability and safety of outer space for all nations. It is a testament to international cooperation, providing the foundational information needed to navigate an increasingly crowded orbital highway with greater confidence and less risk.
Join us at Space Tech Insider, where innovation meets the infinite. Discover the future today.